Until it started.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, hi y'all, Stone, Marlee here, and...
Ow. Maria. Sorry, that hurt.
Today we're having another Stone Sister sesh where we got really big together and we had an edible together, so we're gonna be on another level of together. But she wants to do my makeup. I'm excited. Let's put up my hair.
Yeah, let's put up your hair. Don't want that in your face.
Ta-da! Ain't I fabulous, folks?
No, I feel like you look like a stay-at-home mom.
The 80s mom really fast. That's okay, we'll fix it. I'm
make
excited.
it better.
We're gonna go away from the 80s mom into
Corn cute.
quarren cute. Hashtag quarren cute.
Because remember, we start with primer.
Oh yeah, your whole face! If you missed our previous video, it's over here where I fail at priming.
She fails. Please go watch it, because it's really sad. Just
Primer.
it's gonna feel really nice on your face. I guess, again, you could rub this and I'm always like, yes!
Okay,
How much is this?
a freckle!
A freckle's worth. She's learning.
Tutorial
This is a teaching
time.
experience.
Yeah, she's testing my knowledge, whilst I hope testing y'all's knowledge. Because you all need to be able to see what I'm
Smart.
doing, right? Like rubbing this shit in. Interesting, I know.
I thought you were gonna fall. I was like,
It
please
was a little
no.
precarious.
Ah.
What's the next step, Maria?
Okay, so your eyelids are prime, which means we can put something on top of it and it'll stick really nice. That's what I want to do today.
Okay.
Cannabis. Okay, so shut your eyes.
Okay.
I just do a teeny tiny
Ooh,
bit.
ooh. It was cold, I wasn't ready for it again yet.
I just use like a little bit, and then I try and blend it quickly because the primer makes it
All the way across
No.
every... Oh, she's gonna do it. Okay,
Yeah.
sorry.
I was like, don't touch it.
Okay, I won't touch it, I'm
I have to
sorry.
tell you when you get to use your phalanges or not.
Did I do okay on my own brows today, Maria?
I would make them more bold.
More bold? Like thicker?
Just see how I do my brows? Like very pointy and
Crisp.
crisp. I would crisp them. Them up a little. I don't
Like
that.
toast. Frickin' toast. Anyway.
Anywho.
So
Okay.
yeah, they're gonna stay. We don't have to do my brows.
No. They're accepted.
So we're gonna use a new makeup today.
At Juvia's Place. Yeah. We love. Anyways, it's beautiful. It's called the Masquerade Mini. Juvia's. With a V.
Juvia's.
Juvia's. And then this is the Festival by Juvia's.
The festival.
So we're gonna do a sweet summer look.
What eye colors I like a lot are these pinks.
I know what we're doing.
I really like the
We're
pinks.
starting with this one.
Oh, we're doing I thought we were doing the pinky one that I liked. Okay,
Yeah, we're gonna
more
get there.
from this Juvia's palette.
Pageant.
I'm not good at this, you guys. Okay.
So I really wanted to use this because I thought it would be a good base for these other colors.
Ooh, I actually really like this corally color.
Thank you. I knew you would.
She does know me. She knows me.
I have to be in it.
We're gonna test this and see how we feel.
Oh, on this side?
Yeah,
oh, that's
you're
right.
doing this side.
Oh my gosh, I just had a brain fart.
Is it making it really hard for you?
Can you hold it with your other arm, by chance?
Yes.
For this side, is that gonna be okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see this.
She picked at my eye.
Well, because I got color in a spot I didn't want to get color. Can I see? Look at me head on. Yeah, that looks good.
Maria needs to approve.
Well, I need to be able to see the other eye. I couldn't. Ready for the next step.
Okay. Yes, it's rolling.
Okay.
Rolling. Keep them pressed. Oh my god, you guys, that's like Walmart's commercial from the 90s. Somebody else know that jingle. Let me know in the comments below.
Anywho, we're gonna take.
We like it. It's a pretty color. It's the pink I liked.
Yeah, it's the pink she wanted. Just a little bit of that because it's probably gonna be. Like, potent.
Potent is a good word.
You look beautiful. My goodness. You must be still.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Guys, whoa, that was a lot of pink.
Isn't it pretty though?
It is a very pretty
It's like
pink.
a sherbet vibe now.
What did we call it?
Corn cute.
Corn cute.
Yes. Now I want corn.
Corn sounds good.
So I guess
We do have corn. Okay, let's do the other side, my love.
do this.
Is this okay? I gotta
Yeah.
make sure my mouth doesn't look weird.
Close your eyes. Thank you.
It's hard to know if I'm in frame well if I close my eyes.
That looks pretty even, right?
Yeah, those look really nice. Does those look really nice, guys?
It's pretty. It goes with your shirt.
Yeah, it's a whole thing so far.
It's cute.
Okay.
I love it.
quick update. I don't feel like I look like an 80s mom anymore.
Yeah, like look at that. Already much cuter.
Mucho cuter. There. I think that like is a different. At least now I look like a 90s teenager.
I'm just gonna take a teeny tiny of this because it's so bright.
Potent is the word.
I feel like I'm Bob Ross sometimes.
Okay. Go ahead. We're gonna get more close to what I
Oh god. Ooh, I got way more pigment this time.
Oh, that one's much pretty. I like that. Much
You
pretty.
like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll go for it. We need to clean up again. I lost a little bit of the definitiveness of the corally color. So I want to bring that back a little bit, and I also want to bring it maybe a teeny tiny bit of the orange color. So just a little bit of that and a little bit of the coral mixed together. Okay. To make this brighter section, this intersection pop more. I have a little bit of like a monarch butterfly vibe, and I'm not mad at it.
Ooh, me? I like. Okay, this edible is kicking in.
Yeah, oh my god, okay. Okay, whoa, hold still.
Yeah.
I feel like we've come a long way. So I'm gonna put on foundation. It's actually concealer, but I use it as foundation because this whole bottle is a lot. Just gonna blend it in.
Okay, one.
Blend. I just use the same beauty blender because I'm poor.
Can I have some of my drink? Guys, I've had a drink this whole time and I was like, you gotta stir it, dude. It's like separating weird. Swirl. I've had a drink this whole time and I've been like, I'm thirsty, I need a drink.
Come to me, child.
Oh, there's more stuff on it.
Okay, so now she looks like a ghost, but we have this and it makes it warmer and more
It helps
neutral.
us, we learned.
So, could just cake some of that on too.
Concealer and then foundation.
Mm-hmm. And now we're doing, this is pressed powder. I use it just as like a finish on top. Always bend down your neck, darling. Can you look at yourself in the mirror?
My eyes sockets look weird. Like they look really deep right here.
No, you're totally right.
Okay.
It's just hard to do.
You want some water? I brought a water bottle in here.
Fixing the framing of Maria's face. There we go. Maria looks beautiful and nice in like one of the corners of the crisscrossy lines. You know how you're supposed to like frame.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Okay, I hope you all enjoyed that little topple you took. Sorry. Okay,
That was your fault.
so we went and got a little more stoned, and we're gonna keep going.
Yeah.
So sorry for the pause that
Yeah.
you didn't even probably notice.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a different hairstyle now too.
Looks much better. So the blush we put on is gone. Beautiful.
All right, we need highlighter now. She
You
says.
need highlighter.
Can I do a blue? I think it would be
Highlighter?
like nice with this little like
I
blue
have.
moment that I barely have happening in my shirt. I feel like I would like a little bluey purple color kind of moment. I think I just want to like coordinate with my shirt well.
Let's see if you like this.
Okay, so we're building our highlight.
Building it up so it looks more pigmented. This one you have to get it there. Some you just put on and it's wow.
And magic.
But this one's a little more you gotta build it. And I want it to look good on camera. So there you go.
Yeah, we're trying to do all the colors of my
oh.
shirt. Look at how pretty this is.
Ursula.
It's Ursula.
It's very pretty.
Where do we go next on the adventure of my face?
Just a tiny bit
Okay,
of
whoa,
contour.
you guys, when you're stoned and you see something, it kind of looks like a lion.
Coconut. I'm gonna do the same first.
Okay.
Wow, you're so pretty. You're so stoned.
I am
Whoa.
fucking baked.
Your eyes couldn't focus on me. You opened your eyes and she was just like, ugh. I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm
This
doing.
is real life right now.
I wanna look at you in the mirror.
That's me in the mirror.
Beautiful.
I have an idea. Let me get it up there.
Anyways, and it's just green and it's eye safe.
Are you ready for this?
Wow, this one is way easier to do. I'm just rubbing out a little imperfection I made because I found that be the easiest way to deal with it. It's like try and get some of it on your fingers so it comes off, and then take the brush of that color and go over it just gently.
She does know what she's doing, and she does a good job.
And it's harder when I'm stoned. This is stoned me.
Well, we're gonna do the green.
It should, as long as I just do a little tiny bit. So it's not super pigmented. It's hard to tell it's green, but I don't hate it.
Oh, I think it's the perfect touch of green. Like,
Right.
it's not too green. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna try and film her doing this eye too, because I think the lighting might be better.
You need to trim me a little more. And obviously right now I cannot see the other wing at all. So I'm going by memory and how I felt my line looked, and then I'll touch them up. And can I get open? Ooh, I think we did a thing, Marlee. Wow. I do want to let that dry and maybe do one more little layer of it, or take green eyeshadow and pat it on there.
I would be interested in the padding with the green.
This is
Okay,
fun.
so this is where we are. We're gonna add a little padding of green.
And I go with green, it's called sour.
Sour green. Oh, yes.
I think all I have left is mascara.
Do you want me to do it myself? Because I'm a
Yes.
strong woman who can do her own mascara.
Mascara.
I gotta get closer though because my eyelashes be small and I want to try and not be a complete fool.
I tried really hard to do that way, but I'm gonna use the selfie camera now.
I really like that green.
Oh no,
That's
I
okay.
made a moo-moo.
Oh, what?
I don't know, I said moo-moo, I didn't mean that.
I'll fix that.
It's fine. Nobody saw anything. Maria isn't sitting right there. Guys, that was a struggle. And I made a couple small boo-boos for Maria to fix. Sorry, Maria.
What do you think?
I like it.
Do you want lipstick?
Beautiful. Yeah, we can do a lip color. I think like a deep rosy color might be kind of cool.
Or I could try and do like an ombre.
Ooh, an ombre would be cool. We can get fancy.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the darker color and do it on the outside of her lip as gently as flipping possible. Oops, you're so cute. Little baby lips and dum-dum.
You have the same lips as me. We're siblings. Our lips are
I
very
think
similar.
my lips are bigger because my mouth is bigger. So when you put this on, it's honestly just going to do the blending for you for the most part. That turned out really great.
I like it a lot too. One less spray, one less spray.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
And then I just like, quick dry, quick dry.
I feel like a famous person with like fans. But like this kind of fans.
Not like people like her fans. Okay.
If any of you ever meet me, will you do that? I will die. Thank you.
Just the next time our mom sees us, she's gonna be like, you told me to do this.
Blunts and best wishes. Did you hear me just slur that entire words
Can
together?
I take a drink and can we try it again?
Yes, let's beverage and then continue.
What's so cute in there?
Okay, well, blunts and best wishes. This is us winging it. Because
It was fun.
It was fun. I enjoyed this thoroughly.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know down below what you would name this crazy makeup look. Whatever my makeup needs to be to go with my ensemble of literally what we've been wearing in quarantine this whole time. So
True.
yeah,
Cute quarantine.
cute. That's the aesthetic. So let's get some makeup going.
Yeah.